So I'll be showing you how to save a TikTok draft. So you might want to compose a TikTok post, but not post it immediately. Maybe you want to save it as a draft and finish editing later and even posting. So here's what to do. So let's go ahead and create a TikTok post. So I'll just tap on the plus symbol. Let me upload something from my gallery. For instance, I'll pick this one, for instance, and I can just continue editing, like putting some text and done, and do any other edits you need to do, and then tap on next. And just when you're about to post, you should see the option for drafts. So you can tap on that, and that TikTok is going to be saved to your drafts. Now to access drafts on TikTok, simply go to your profile page. Just tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And then the first post is normally a collection of your drafts. Okay, so you have your posts here, but here you can see I have 6 drafts. And when I tap on that, I can see all my draft with the draft we just made as the latest draft. So from here, I can continue editing and eventually posting. So that's basically how to save drafts on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.